JEE 2024 MCQ. In the given circuit, find out equivalent resistance between A and B. Now see the diagram here. Here current is passing through zero resistance wire. So current cannot pass through R1 is equal to 6 ohm. So here we can say that here R2 and R3, these are in parallel connection. So what is the equivalent of R2 and R3? 2 and 2 in parallel. 2 is parallel with 2. So 4 by 4 is 1 ohm. Here 1 and 2 in series. 1 and 2 in series. So equivalent is 3 ohm. Now 3 ohm parallel 3 ohm parallel 3 ohm. So R equivalent is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to 1 ohm. Thank you.